right, today we're going snorkeling in Laguna somewhere. Yeah, I don't think it's warm enough for a bikini, but it's so cute that I'm gonna wear it. And we'll see. But yeah, water visibility should be pretty good. There hasn't been a huge swell or anything. The water's warmer than it normally is. Yep, I'll see you there. How pretty is this place? I had to parallel park and it was scary, but we're doing it. What a beautiful day. So nice today. Nice and full tide. I love this place. So lucky. Pretty, pretty. Look how pretty this place is. Pretty, pretty. We're going here. Wow, it's so nice today. Ooh, so sick. Let's hope I don't beef it down the stairs. That would be a fantastic footage though. Look how turquoise it is. Wow. This golden light. Snorkeling was super fun and we saw some stingrays and we saw some Garibaldi, some other fish. Visibility wasn't spectacular, but it might show up better on the GoPro. Maybe it was just my mask that was fogging. So if you have tips on how to keep your mask from fogging immediately, tell me. I would like to know. Alrighty, heading back soon. But yeah. Look at this. Okay, we're heading back. So the visibility yesterday wasn't as clear as we were hoping for, but we heard about a different spot that might be a bit better, and the water has been really, really nice and warm, so we're making the most of it for attempt number 2 here at Crescent Bay. Okay, just got back. I feel tan. Successful snorkeling session, maybe you could tell by this line. Also, does anyone know how to not get the snorkel mask line? Is there a trick to that? This is the nicest California summer I can even remember. The water's been so warm and so pretty. My psyched thumbs up. I can't stop looking at these. Anyways, we saw way more stuff this time. I'm glad we did like a little redo session. We went to a different cove and yeah, there were way more fish. And we saw leopard sharks, a pretty decent sized one, more Garibaldi, different sizes, and other fish that I don't know the names to. But yeah, excited to look through the footage. I guess if I'm talking now, I already edited it. If you followed along so far, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, wherever that may be. Bye guys.